Hello everyone, welcome back to another lesson of Young Inventor with Microbit. Today we're going to work on a fruit keyboard project that uses electricity. So let's learn about electricity first. Electricity needs two things to work. Firstly, it needs a complete circuit. Electricity needs to flow one big full round without any breaks. Okay, so the circuit on the right works because it's complete. The circuit on the left does not work because it's broken, it's incomplete. Okay? What else does electricity need to work? Free moving electrons, small particles that carry a minus sign or a negative charge to them. Objects that carry free moving electrons, we call them good conductors of electricity. Some examples are metals like aluminum, copper, gold, and silver that we use in our electrical circuits as wires. Okay, so fun facts for you today. Now, did you also know fruits and vegetables can conduct electricity? They contain lots of vitamins, minerals, and water. In their bodies, the vitamins and minerals are dissolved in the water, and this releases lots of free-moving electrons. This helps the fruits and vegetables conduct electricity. Some fruits do conduct electricity even better. These are fruits high in acidity or potassium. For example, very sour or acidic fruits like lemons and oranges, and bananas that are high in potassium. More fun fact for you. Did you know we humans can conduct electricity too? The average human body has about 60% water. This means more than half of our body contains water. And since we eat and drink a lot, there's a lot of vitamins and minerals dissolved in our body. And when they are dissolved, they release a lot of free moving electrons, and this allows us to conduct electricity. Okay, so just a safety precaution, never ever touch any broken circuits or electrical things with bare hands or wet hands. Okay, it's a bit dangerous because we can conduct electricity, we can get hurt. So please be careful. Now we're going to use this concept of electricity to work our fruit keyboard today. This is how it looks like. We're going to have Microbit connected to a battery and also connected to speakers on pin 0 and ground. We are also going to have an orange connected to ground pin on Microbit and a banana on pin 1. Now, we will code our speaker to play sound only when pin 1 banana and ground orange are touching. Now, pin 1 banana and ground orange are not touching and electricity can't flow through them to activate the speaker. Okay, so because there is a break here, we call this an incomplete electrical circuit. So how can we make the connection? Using our bodies. So we're going to hold the fruits this way. We're going to grab onto the orange and we're going to at times tap or poke onto the banana. When we touch both fruits at the same time, electricity can then flow through pin 1 to the banana, through our bodies, to the orange to ground pin, and finally to the speakers to activate them. Okay, so this completes the circuit. This finally allows our speaker to be activated and play our sound. Okay, so this is how it works. Now let's understand the code behind this. This is the entire fruit keyboard code. Let's look at it in parts. The one on the left first. On start, set sound to 220. This means for Microbit, numbers can represent music tones. So if you were to use a play tone block, you will find that when you click a random music note, it will have a number assigned to it. For this case, 220 represents the music tone low A, and that's what we're going to use today. Now moving on, we're also going to have another half of the code. On pin P1 press, show icon music note, change sound by 100, play tone sound for 1 beat, then show LEDs, blank. This means when we touch both fruits at the same time or when we hold on to the orange and press pin 1 banana, Microbit will first show us an icon of a music note, then it will play a sound that is higher than the previous note because we have changed the sound by 100. This means plus 100. Finally, once the note has been played, Microbit is going to hide the picture of the note by showing a blank LED screen. Okay, now everyone, if we keep pressing pin 1, the note is going to get higher and higher and higher, and we need to set a limit or a stop to this. So we're going to add a conditional. This is how it looks like. If sound is more than or equal to 1000, then set sound to 220. This means when the number of our music note played is higher or equal to 1000, meaning the note could be 1000, 1001, 1002, and so on, our micro:bit will reset the note back to low A, which is 220. Okay, and then we will be able to loop the code. For your task today, you are going to code a Fruit Keyboard code on your micro:bit. You're going to code it on Make Code Program. Download your code. Now today, we will not be able to upload the code to our own micro:bit, but you can use the teacher setup to test your code. In the meantime, I will need you to upload your code as how you have done doing home-based learning to ITE Campus page so I can check your work. Okay, so have fun today. Enjoy the process. See ya.